Hi everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today we're going to be making cheesy hamburger Italian style pasta. And most of the ingredients you'll already have around the house. It's very easy to make, but it's also tasty and very hearty. Before we start with the recipe today, just a reminder that I have a new cookbook out, and you can get your copy on Amazon. And I've provided a link in the description below this video. Alright, so let's get started with today's recipe. You'll need to start with 2 cups of uncooked rotini pasta. Place it in about 4 cups of boiling water in a medium-sized saucepan. You can sprinkle a little salt in the water if you wish, and cook that until it's reached al dente. And so that's according to the package directions, and that may vary, likely between 8 to 10 minutes. And then strain the water off the pasta. You can save back a little bit of pasta water in case you need to use it for thinning the pasta dish. Set your pasta aside until you're ready to use it. Place about 1 pound of ground beef in a large pot. I'm using a Dutch oven here. Place your heat on high and break your meat apart as it's frying. When your meat's partially cooked, add 1 cup of chopped sweet onion. Stir the onions in and continue to cook it with the ground beef. Next, we'll add about 3 teaspoons of freeze-dried garlic. This just simplifies the dish and makes it easier to prepare. And stir those garlic pieces in and continue to cook for another couple of minutes. This is already starting to turn quite fragrant, and it smells very appetizing. Next, we'll add 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Now, half a teaspoon of black pepper. I like to stir it so that it cooks evenly. Alright, so let's give it a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, and I add 1 tablespoon of that. Add 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Now for half a cup of half and half, so half cream and half milk, which is 1/4 cup of each to make a half a cup total. You can buy half and half cream already made up for you in the store, but I made my own because that's what I had on hand. Now this starts a really nice base for a bit of a rosa type Italian sauce. Then add about 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And continue cooking it and stirring until it thickens up a little bit and the flour is well combined, so a couple more minutes. Then add 1 cup of chicken broth. Stir that in until that's well combined. And you know, this is tasty just like it is right now. So let's continue building our sauce. I add 1 cup of sweet basil marinara. As we continue to build this, it's getting even more yummy. So check this out, it's looking pretty good, right? Now go ahead and add your cooked rotini pasta to the dish. And it's not complete until we add some cheese. So I added 2 cups of double cheddar cheese. And I leave the pot on the stove, but I turn the heat off, because there's enough heat in the rest of the ingredients to melt the cheese. So just stir that in until it's really well combined and the cheese is melted and stringy. There you have it, dinner is ready. Who wants some? And it's a pasta dish that's creamy and cheesy, made in Italian sauce, and hopefully your whole family enjoys it. The amounts in this recipe makes enough for about 3 or 4 people. Depends on how hungry you are, of course. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Now go make some, and I hope you enjoy it. And I'll talk to you next time.